In this ChromaLink review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that it will send you a flood of traffic to any link that you want and make you $197 over and over again. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ChromaLink, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you decide to purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, we found a traffic loophole hidden inside the #1 web browser in the world, Google Chrome. In 30 seconds, Chroma blasts any links to 2.7 billion Google Chrome users for unlimited free buyer traffic and gets us $197 payments over and over. So here's the thing. What this is all about. I'm going to show you what it actually is in a minute. Like, you're not going to get like 2.7 billion like links, like traffic hits of visitors to your pages, and you're not going to be making $197 payments over and over again from this. If that existed, I wouldn't be doing this review right now. I would just be doing that because I'd just be making money over and over again. I would be sitting on a beach drinking margaritas. So that's not going to happen with this. What this software does do is it creates a page where you can have other embedded pages on the page and you can monetize it with ads. You can actually create useful resources with this. If you create a page of something that has like a bunch of different things, like let's say you were promoting an acne ad on ClickBank and you wanted to create something that was like a useful resource of how to clear up acne, and you put your affiliate links on it. That's a useful way of doing this, but you're not going to automatically be paid $197 over and over and over again. That's just marketing talk here, and I don't like that part about this. But I will show you what the software is in a minute here. As we go down the sales page here, they have income proof here, but I mean, this is just from other stuff that they're doing. This has most likely nothing to do with this software. I would be very, 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 very surprised if they have any like actual proof of like this right here is actual proof of like actually using the software. I don't believe that for a second. This right here, they say that users made this money. I don't believe that at all. It says here, create your account, turn it on, and get paid. That doesn't happen. Okay, so that's not, if you are considering purchasing this, do not purchase it based upon these claims on the sales page, because they are just not real. Okay, just be aware of that. But the software is kind of interesting, so I will show you it in a second here. They've got more proof here of money that people made. It's up to you on what you want to believe here, but don't believe everything you read on the internet. Now they say here also like the first day, the second day, today that they made money, blah blah blah. Not true. So anyways, I'm gonna scroll through all this sales page malarkey. Is that what they say? And go over to here where it says, okay, so this is what you're gonna get. If you purchase, you get access to the system, and you get access to like the app. It says training videos for a low one-time price. They do have an add-on here for $8 where you can add on some kind of multiple popular browser thing. I don't know what that's about. But anyways, if you move your mouse away, you can get more of a discount on this. So make sure you do that. I always want you to get the lowest prices on this. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is show you a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you some real examples of pages created with this and the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hello and welcome. Welcome to our new invention where we legally infiltrate Google Chrome loophole. Now we can forcefully flood any link with buyer traffic. Without even creating a website, one can earn a ton. You don't need any extra activities or expertise. In one word, no experience needed. But yeah, there is a huge scope of earn instant payments without any hidden cost. So everything that I have just said can be get on one and only on ChromaLink. So what you need to do, you need to follow just three simple steps. Step number 1, select the number of pages link. So here we are on ChromaLink, and here you can find how many links do you want on the final pages. So starting from 1 to 10, you can get this much of links on your pages. Now for the demo purpose, if I select 2, then I can move on to the next step. Okay, so here we can get 2 different frames. As we have selected 2 over here, so we are allowed to get 2 different frames, and each frame contained 3 different adverts. So we can add 3 different adverts in each and every frame. Now suppose someone is selecting 10 frame, that means in one page they can add 30 advert. Isn't it really cool? So now I am going to show you how you can add the frame. First of all, you have to add a link over here, and here we go. If I select this link and if I paste it over here, now there is advert setting 1. So the first thing you have to do, you have to add a image over here, and I must tell you that the image size should be 560 by 400. That will give you a good output. And here we select advert title number, then you can find the advert title color. The button text, and then the button link. So if I select this page as a button link, then the CTA background color and the button color. So here we are done with the advert setting 1. Now we will do the advert setting 2. So now we are done with the frame setting 1. Now we will move on to the frame setting 2. Same way, we will add the link. I will suggest to add different link for a different frame. So as we are done, now the thing I am going to show you, that is click here to view. So if I click over here, then I will be redirected to the template editor, where I can edit the whole template, not only this two. You can see the element over here and the advertise that we have added with the same title, with the same text of the button. Now if I click over here, I can find the URL. That means whenever it will be posted, if anyone click on this button, they will be redirected to that particular URL which we have pasted over here. So the same way, you can find each and everything that is in front of your eyes is customizable, just like this. Okay, so now we are done with our setup. We can move on to the next step. where we can download the page. The step number 3, browse or download. So if I download the page and if I open it, you can find, we can do this. We can find the template over here. You can view the template, and here also you can edit the whole template. Now also on the downloads option you can find the templates. Now what you can do, you can share the template on these social medias. There is more than 100 social medias available on this ChromaLink. Maybe one cannot have this much of social channels, but ChromaLink has all of this. Just because you don't need to panic anything, like you never feel that your social media is not available on this list, because each and every social media that can be available on internet is available on our Chroma link. So whenever you want to share it on Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and all of this, you can find your one, and just with a single click you can share the same on your social media. Okay, now I am going to show you one interesting thing, that is search content, with which you can search out content very easily. So make the search, and plenty of articles will be in front of you. What you need to do, you just need to go through each and everything, and you have to sum up and make your own content. You can copy and paste each and every content that is available, but I will suggest you not to copy others content, but to take a suggestion from this content and create your own one. So if you want to do content writing, that is also very possible with the help of this content search. Now there is marketplace, where you can find the top deals available on internet, on Zevizu, on Variaplus, on Clickbank, the topmost affiliate networking site available on the internet, and we are having the latest deals in our hand. And now for traffic, you can find Facebook and Instagram, where you can directly post to your Facebook account without even opening your Facebook. Text, link, image, video. And not only that, you can have the call to action post and carousel or video post. Okay, once you are done with your post, then the next step, that is comment or reply your customer. That is also possible with our comment and reply template. With this automation campaign, you can directly contact to your customer without any hesitation. With our software you can do all of this. Now not only for Facebook, the same can be done for Instagram, starting with Instagram posting any image or video, and then the Instagram autopilot, where the comment and the reply automation can be done. Okay, now there is analytics part, where we can have the web analysis, where we can analyze the visitor count, where we can search out the Alexa rank. You can search out the Alexa index for each and every website. And then there is link analyzer, which will help you to analyze any link you are working with. Now there is domain analysis, which contain who search, auction, domain list, DNS info, server info. Then there is IP analysis, which will help you to detect the IP with which you are working. Now there is keyword analysis, which will tell you about the keyword. And here is position analyzer. So all of this you can get just in one software, and the name of the software is ChromaLink. So guys, that's it. Thank you. See you inside the software.
Okay, so this is a page that's created with this. Now this is just a demo page. Like they say, like they have a thing up here like your logo. So obviously you can replace that with your logo. They've got little dummy text here. You can edit all of this. Now what the software does is it will allow you to embed a page or multiple pages on a single page. So it's allowing you to essentially iframe these. So, but most people aren't technical and don't understand really what that means here. So I'm going to go over here inside the console and show you some examples of these. Like they have some that were already set up. Some of them are better than others here. Let me open up another one here. So this is another one here that has like a US news site here. So it's they embedded on here. And what they've done is they've had these little ads that you can put here. So you can put an ad here, little links, and you can monetize it. So to make this useful, like I said before, you'd want to make a page that would have like something useful, like real ways of curing acne, and then you can embed pages with real advice on it, and you can monetize that with your ads on it. That would be a way of creating like a useful resources. If you just randomly put pages on here, randomly put your links on it, you're not going to be helping anyone, and most likely people aren't going to share your pages around. Or if you try to paste it in like a forum or online, people are going to mark it as spam. So you need to make sure it's something useful and then monetize it. So yeah, that's the product here. They've got some other things in here like showing the best JV Zoo deal. I mean, that's just like they've got some extra social media traffic stuff, blah blah blah. But the thing about the software that makes it different is that whole thing where you have the ability to put iframes to essentially embed different pages onto a one-page site. So if you're a software guy and you know how to do that kind of stuff, you'll say big whoop. But if you're someone that doesn't know how to do that, then this could be useful for you. They do have a social sharing thing here where it has a bunch of different social networks that you can share onto. Some of them are better than others. Some of them just don't make sense. Like I don't understand why you would want to share out to Evernote. If you're familiar with Evernote, it's like a place where you share your notes on. I don't understand how that would work, but anyways, that's the product there. They have multiple OTOs. The first one here is, it looks like an unlimited version. If you move your mouse away, you get a $10 discount. Please hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. I make less by showing them to you. The next one here is the 100% done for you. Move your mouse away. You can bring the price down $100 to $197. Next one here is you can fully automate it, bring the price down to $67. Next one is some kind of an income multiplier. Maybe it's like a high ticket thing you can promote. Move your mouse away, you can bring the price down to $37. Next one here is, I believe they're letting you put your retargeting picks on their sales pages, I think. This one's $67. The next one is reseller rights. You can bring the price down to $97. So it's $200 discount if you move your mouse away. And the last one is some kind of a little loophole thing that they're adding on to this. You can move your mouse away and bring that price down to $37. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ChromaLink and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I think you know already, the marketing on it, the idea that you're going to be making $197 over and over again is not going to happen. They're probably referring to the fact that you can make money as an affiliate, but you're not just going to magically start making money with this. All that income proof on the page, I believe that they've made that money, but I don't believe it's from using this here. So yeah, I don't like that. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a software that is going to allow you to embed multiple different pages and put like affiliate links on top of those and create like different resources that are helpful for people that you can monetize, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ChromaLink, go ahead and click this link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.